Hi everyone. This is a continuation to previous video on representing a graph using dictionary in Python. So this is the code I have written using Google Colab, and as I have explained earlier in my earlier video, we will read number of vertices, number of edges and so on. Okay, so I have considered the graph discussed in previous video, and I will demonstrate how this can be done. This representation of graph can be done. Let me run this code. Number of vertices are 5. The edges are like 0, 1 is one edge, 0, 4 second edge, 4, 1 third one, 1, 3 fourth one, 1, 2 fifth one, 3, 2. Sixth one, and anything left over here? 4, 0. Yes, 0, 4 is given. Let me just check that one. 0, 1, 0, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2 is done, 3, 2 is done, 1, 4. 1, 4 is also done. Let me just check once again. 0, 1, 0, 4, 4, 1. Oh yes, 4, 3 is missing. Let me enter that. 4, 3. These are the 7 edges of the given graph. Now I have completed all the edges here. I am closing this input process by giving -1, -1. Yes. What is the output here? You see, the graph is represented in the form of adjacency list. 0 and its adjacent vertices are 1, 4. For 1, the adjacent vertices are 0, 4, 3, 2. For 2, the adjacent vertices are 1, 3. For 3, the adjacent vertices are 1, 2, 4. And for 4, the adjacent vertices are 0, 1, 3. Okay. So this is the output. So this is how we have to enter data about edges, number of vertices, etc. into the code and run the code. So in next videos I will discuss how to perform this BFS and DFS. Thank you.